I wonder if I can zoom on here. And I'm going to be a straight G with the pain because, you know, I am a level 3 Super Saiyan since I was 14. It is your guy, T-Walk, aka Tracy Walker, reporting live. I have Dr. Wife over, and she is going to be doing surgery with this tool that I got on Amazon for like, I don't know, 14 bucks. This side is smooth. This side has the edges so we can smooth down the grooves. And we're just going to be, you know, making our own YouTube video on how to remove ingrown toenails. We got those. I've been dealing with them for my whole entire life. And I've just dealt with them. Usually because I wear size 14 in shoes and I squeeze in size 13 for, I don't know, 32 years of my life. I am 35 now, so that if you do the math, I've been wearing a size 14 since I was 3 years old. Okay. But honestly, though, all jokes to the side, I've been wearing size 14 since I was 11 years old, and I've always had ingrown hair, ingrown toenails. I thought it was normal, but I just dealt with it, the fact that it hurts. This is me doing my own trim job. Look how pathetic that is. But you can tell that it's growing right in there, and this right here is always inflamed. And I thought that was normal for, I don't know, maybe 27 years of my life. I thought that was normal, but it's not. Look at that. Look at that tissue. Ugh, gross. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. Baby. Anyways, so we're just gonna have movie night and perform surgery on me, and I'm just gonna record it. Remember, if you guys have any questions about anything, just you know, hit me up and I got your back. Dr. Wife is not a foot doctor or a foot removal, toe removal doctor. She's just a, you know, the worst kind of doctor. Just kidding, just kidding. Jesus Christ. Get in there. Oh my God. No, yeah. Get in there. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if I can zoom on here. And I'm going to be a straight G with the pain because, you know, I am a level 3 Super Saiyan since I was 14. Yeah, that tool is pathetic. But yeah, let's keep doing that. Oh, yeah. Look out there. I wish it was much more narrow. Mm-hmm. So yeah, guys,
and pointy.
If you can get a more pointed and narrow tool to get in those creases, that would be really helpful. Thin like that one, but that one doesn't have the excuse me,
the file.
Yeah, the files to shave it down. But yeah, just do what you can. Wing it. Like I said, I'm a level 3 Super Saiyan, so the pain doesn't really affect me. Right, Blazy? Blazy Poo? There you go. Couch is ate up.
Don't be showing the whole house.
Cats.
It's supposed to be your foot.
Yeah. He's snoring, but he's awake.
Do you have cuticle trimmers too, or no?
No, we're not gonna do all that.
So I think I freed up the edge, but I need to be able to get in there with those clippers. Does that hurt?
Nope. Mm-mm. Okay. For real, for real. Is it even like...
Yeah, it's taking some off.
But you know what? The ingrown hair is also... Where's my finger? I'm trying to get my finger in there. There we go. It's in... all the way down there. that's where the pain is at. Ugh.
I'm not sure how far I can like
And like
go.
it's been so
underneath
chronic.
it.
I've been dealing with it that the skin just kind of just grew over. So it's just become normalized. Look at that. That's gangrene in there, guys.
Don't believe him.
What was that, cheese? Look at that cheese.
It's not cheese.
You know, it looks like it's still kind of straight right there from what the tech did last time. No?
No, it's like
No? Okay.
that doesn't hurt. Like me
No.
getting into the corner here.
No, it doesn't hurt because it's been so many years that it's needed to get dealt with, and I just never dealt with it. It's not really filing, it seems like.
Well, I think I need more of this motion.
Yeah, but you don't have the room.
Well, I was afraid I would hurt you.
Nah.
There's not actually a lot of nail to like trim. To like cut away. Because this is like your nail bed.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh.
That feels good?
No, it hurts a
okay.
lot.
Well, I don't.
A lot. Ooh, but, I mean, just I'm going to tough it out. Oh, my God. Is there any cheese in there?
No, I got most of that already.
Ooh. The skin just hurts. Not even the nail. It's just like that part that you're grabbing right there. That just hurts. Oh, my God. Oh.
I'm trying to pull it away.
Just you touching it just hurts. It's just been
Well, it's not like oozing anything out or anything, so it's actually.
But
looking
like I
pretty
said,
healthy.
guys, I'm a size 14, and I squeeze in a size 13 because everyone knows who wears a 13 or beyond that they just don't make the cool shoes in your size anymore. So you're stuck wearing Shacks and I don't know, Payless shoes. But so I squeeze into 13s because they look good, and I'm only 5'9", guys. So whenever I wear a size 14, I just look ridiculous, and everyone's looking at me, and they notice. Those pants you got on suck really bad.
Why are you looking at my pants? They're not supposed to be in the video. Do you want me to do that one? Is that one there too? Are you like zooming in on your foot? If you had like cuticle scissors, we could like trim that.
Right. So what is this for?
I don't know. They were showing it on the end. Like on the nail.
Yeah, get in there.
You don't have a lot. You don't have anything to cut off though. That's all flat. But like.
So that's what the technician did to me
Does
last
that hurt?
time. Nuh-uh. Like there's no pain in there. There's just like nothing on that skin right there. It's like extra skin that grew over. So I have the heels, have eyes, foot. Yeah.
It's not actually cutting anything though. What do these do? I think this is more to like pull this out. I think you should let me order some.
Better shears.
Yeah.
Tough white. $14. I pay good money for those.
I got something.
But all right, guys, that's how you take care of an ingrown toenail. So if you guys got any questions for me, hit me up. If you got a channel, you're trying to grow your channel, put your channel, in the comments, and give us a brief description of what your channel is about, and we'll share it, because we're a community, guys. So if you got any tips or tricks or get rich quick schemes, we're listening. All right. That side doesn't bother me.
I was just seeing if this
It's
actually cut.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Which it is.
All right. So that was in vain.
There wasn't a lot to dig out, honestly.
Yeah, that side is good. Nothing happens over there. So you think that's better? Cured?
It'll probably feel better because we did dig some of it out. But like they could like have these things that they'll go like around here with them, and they just like clean all this up too.
Look at that skin that's
Like
grown
the
over.
edge. Ew, let me see that.
Look at that skin. And then this right here, like, wait, I'm trying to focus the camera. There we go. I'm like, this right here, I don't know what this is right here. That's probably a cancer.
No,
But
it's a callus.
it's just, oh, but when it itches, it feels so glorious. Oh my God, it feels so good.
That's like that. That's a callus. Big callus. You have to shave it off.
Gross.
You want to do a picture of me shaving my foot callus?
No.
I mean, it's about as gross as your ingrown toenail.
Anyways, get back to work, woman. By the way, that's my favorite picture of the wife. She's doing what she does best. She's in the kitchen with oven mittens on, cooking. Best thing ever. Oh,
Where a woman's supposed to be in the kitchen.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You making any progress? Look how pathetic that nail looks.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on in your foot right here.
So guys, if you got this right here, go to the ER immediately.
Don't listen to him.
Yeah, that's just very weird. I've just been dealing with it.
You're gonna have people abusing the ER. Does that hurt?
Not really.
I'm just like pushing it back. Let me do this.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that important to do?
Push back your cuticle?
Yeah. I see people do it, like
Well, they do it-
those Dead Sea people that are
Like,
like
get a
attractive
pedicure.
girls and attractive guys. Hey, come here, come here, come here. And you're like, no thanks, I don't. You're just like, and before you know it, they got your hand,
Oh no.
and then they're looking,
No.
they're looking in your eyes, and
Nope.
you're just like,
Nope. I just walk away.
you're just like, what's your ethnicity?
No.
And then they're just like, talking to you, and they pull you into the store, and then you spend $38.77 on Dead Sea Minerals lotion, cuticle removal, and it's like you never use it. But,
They see you and they know you're a mark. That's what happens.
oh, so they know that.
Yeah, I just walk away.
Well, now that I'm older, now I don't have. But before I have anxiety, they like call you, and everyone's looking at the mall is busy, and
No.
everyone's walking by, and they single you out, and it's like, oh my God, everyone knows, everyone's watching, they're seeing what my reaction is gonna be. I'm just like, I don't care anymore. But back then, in my 20s, yeah, I was like, they can get me. They could get me.
And they knew it.
And I can never be one of those people, like, the pressure of having to sell. Oh, wait, that's right. I've done it for frickin', I don't know, 15 years. Selling stuff.
Okay, well, there's nothing really grown in on this side. I don't know what this is.
She
but-
did really well on that side. Because that used to be bad. Maybe you just shaved that down.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Maybe this is like the healed version of it. Because it was that way for so long. Maybe she cut. down this far.
Yeah. I think she did that with the tool and it ended up staying straight. But now it hurts in here. This is where the pain is now.
Oh.
Did you get in there?
No.
It's like so obvious. That's blatant obvious.
You
like,
pointed out to
ingrown.
this side.
Oh, well, I was pointing at that because that skin looked kind of, questionable. Look at that. That is gross. What's that smell?
I didn't smell it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You told me to get in there. What are you doing?
Dang. I think one of the dogs farted. Blaze, go outside. Yeah. You're bad at being a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go outside. I'm just gonna go back up here. Maybe he won't notice. Oh my God. Oh
Sorry.
My God.
I don't know if I can get this or not.
Oh, it's getting hard to breathe.
That's because of the fart.
That's gross. I wonder if they can smell that when they watch the video.
No.
Yeah.
The dog fart?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it really hurts in there.
Sorry. I got that corner though that was hanging out.
But we need to go in there.
But this is like it's normally attached in there.
It's like just infiltrate it. Just infiltrate it and expose it. Alright guys, I'm about to start crying. So we're signing off right now. Remember, if you guys have any questions about anything, trying to improve your life, make your life better, I'm not gonna lie, act like I have all the questions, but I mean, I know most of them know,
You
right?
mean answers?
What did I say that wrong?
Well, you said I'm not gonna
I
act like I know all the questions.
Act like I have all the answers. So, yeah, if you got, any questions, I got all the answers, kind of. So, yeah. All right. Peace out.